Today we are here to talk about cyberbullying. Due to how broad the internet is, there are many ways in which a person may intentionally harm another, which include sending derogatory or threatening text messages, voicemails or emails, exposing a private conversation someone has had with somebody else, excluding members of a cohort from a group chat and making them feel unwanted, spreading rumours about somebody else, and also stalking and spamming someone with messages is a form of bullying as well. Compared to traditional bullying, where it is face-to-face, the computerized nature of cyberbullying means that statements or comments made in posts are preserved on websites or social media platforms for everyone to see, not just the intended group. People feel like they can post harmful content with ease due to the anonymity of the internet. The act of trolling is a popular term to describe people who intentionally upset others over the internet. Due to the constant connection between people, bullying isn't just restricted to the schoolyard. It now follows a person home. The increased messaging apps and access of them from a young age means increased potential victims and assailants. Someone who is being cyberbullied may show a variety of characteristics. It is important that the teachers and parents are able to detect these in order to intervene. Characteristics that are likely to be displaying are anxiety, unhappiness or stress, especially after the bullying has occurred. Children will often isolate themselves from everyone as they feel alone, lose interest in hobbies or school, and in very extreme cases, although it is not uncommon, the child will suffer from depression and will develop suicidal thoughts. For students, although the bullying may never fully stop, there are ways in which to minimise the actions a bully may take, such as unfriending or blocking them, set up the settings on social media outlets so that the privacy may be maintained. This may include only adding close friends or excluding location and other private details on posts. A child can also report a bully to various social media companies or to the Australian e-Safety website. The link's on the slide. For parents, they may witness the change firsthand at home or even see what happens online. In this case, there are steps that a parent can take in order to support the child, which includes reassuring them that they are in it with them, help them come up with strategies around the internet as well as in the schoolyard, talk about who children can go to see for support, and also encouraging them to talk about their feelings towards bullying. It's the teacher's job to raise awareness at the school, make sure people are aware of the problem and make sure that they understand the severity of bullying and the possible consequences. Whole school policies have been effective in stamping out cyberbullying, but needs to be individualised to each school. Supervision. Although teachers will only be able to witness face-to-face bullying, they may be able to identify if a student is being picked on and whether further follow-up needs to occur. And programs. These programs could include a guest speaker from someone who was a victim of bullying and talk about their experience. Various video accounts and activities which include scenarios to be performed from the point of view from a bully, victim and bystander are also acceptable.